am the thunder of all legends.
Nice. Uy, liya, di ka na oh. May mo ng wak-wak ron. Wow!
Wonder Woman!
As the being a hero means caring, trying your best and doing what's right, even when it's hard.
So let's celebrate grade 8 for channeling the spirit of storytelling, imagination, and empowerment. Their costumes may be stitched with fabric, but their message is stitched with meaning. Let's all give a round of applause to our grade 8 Petrarch. Please find your spot and let's have a quick photo as a group.
Tradition that continues to shape literature, film, and the imagination of generations. Again, one more round of applause for grade 9 Guardians of Justice, champions of depth and literary legends in motion. All right.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rona Zoro, and I am lost.
Action! Loki ni Loki.
Vampire hunting. I have those. I am vampire.
User, Nagi!
I'm Obito Chia. I don't have nothing in my heart. I don't feel pain anymore.
Wow! Action, be! Bida ko na, be! Gunawan ko na, be! Paano ka na?
The strong should aid and protect the weak. Then, the weak will be stronger. In turn, the weak will aid and protect who is more weaker. That is the law of nature.
I'm Zenitsu. If you can only do one thing, only to perfection.
Ilang ka pa? Microphone sa isibog. Wait sa. Kung sa'yo nakita mo sa kapan ni Superman. Action!
I'm Hawkeye. I'd rather be a bow than a bullet.
Show us your action.
Action! Kung sila ka maikot sila. Wala ka ito. Please.
I am Wolverine.
And I am Cyclops.
Cyclops. Cyclops.
What we believe in is stronger than what we do.
Luko na siya kanangay. Loki.
Don't be what they made you.
Sige ko na mata ko na ni Cyclops. Wolverine. 1, 2, 3, go. Wolverine. Show us
Mendasal belumbang na estudyamanta. Ideya ibig kuang halavera. Iso asyento kwarya ebisnam ibig kakwang dabashna. Beya hidilemet sa hatorya. Beya demet sa nam ibilibi izjay madabana.
Kashmeya. Oy. Kashmeya.
I do not seek wars, but I will never bow.
We are the future. Together we will last. I am Magneto, master of magnetism, the defender of the mutant kind. That's all, thank you.
Go Magneto! Magneto, Niwang version!
Well done, boys from grade 8 Petrarch. Up next, let's call our grade 8 ladies. The girls from grade 8. Yes. Vladimir, please step forward. Evanise, please step forward. Next.
Jay Garcia, cosplaying Huta from Genshin Impact. When life ends, my job begins. So don't be scared about dying, okay?
I'm not much without my bell, but let's go!
There's one thing I hate more than pesky pirates. The person who disrespects my captain.
No hero can save everyone, but the new hero never stops trying. I am Superwoman.
I'll never give up. No matter how many times I've been brought down, I'll always stand up and protect the people I love.
I lived for centuries, and yet here I am, still trying to understand the heart of humans. Humans need fears to survive. We experience it so we can become stronger.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Grace. Second place goes to Freyrin Anya Rose Lau. Congratulations. Automatically, Vladimir Ihurango, our first placer. Zoro, congratulations.